Hello friends, welcome to Trend Tech Guide. Today I'll show you how to edit a message on WhatsApp. So if you are new to our channel, don't forget to subscribe. So let's start. First of all, you can see I'm here in my mobile phone. Now I'll tap on this WhatsApp and now I'll go with any message over here. I'll go with this first one. Now I'll send one message over here as hello, how are you, and question mark. Now I'll send this and now you can see this message is sent. Now if I want to edit this, I'll just tap on this for a while and after that on the top right you'll find these three dots. Tap on this and now tap on this edit. After this we can easily edit this message. Now for this question mark, I'll add some emojis over here and after it is edited, we can just tap on this right over here. Now you can see this message is edited. You can see here is written as edited. So in this way we can edit messages on WhatsApp. So if you find this helpful, don't forget to subscribe. Have a good time.